everyone, today we're gonna make chicken broccoli. I cut some onion and chicken. Now we mix the ingredients. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar, then pepper, cornstarch, and mix it together. Now we take a pan. Now open the stove, but make sure adult is with you. Put some oil, add the chicken on your pan, and mix it together. Wait until it cooks. Put it in a plate so we can separate it from the other ingredients. Put your onion on your pan and then put your broccoli on your pan. And then later you can put the sauce. And then mix it and wait until it cooks. Then mix and mix and mix until you put the chicken on the plate. Then wait for 2 minutes and then it's done. Put some sesame seeds as your garnish. Now it's done. You have your yummy chicken broccoli. Wait for tomorrow for the next cooking video. Bye. Enjoy your chicken broccoli.